In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting in Microsoft Teams using the mobile app. We understand that in a world filled with virtual meetings, navigating through different platforms can sometimes be confusing, especially when you're on the go. So let's break this down into a seamless process that you can easily follow, whether you're using an iOS or Android device. Firstly, when you receive a meeting link via email, chat, or message, the process to join is straightforward. You want to start by simply tapping the link in the message. This action will automatically prompt your phone to open the Microsoft Teams app. Now, it's important to make sure that the Teams app is already installed on your device. If for some reason the app doesn't open, just check that it's installed and updated to the latest version from your App Store. Once you've opened the Teams app via the meeting link, you'll be presented with a couple of options. If you happen to have a Microsoft account, you can go ahead and sign in. However, if you're joining for a one-time meeting or don't have an account, no worries. Simply select the option to join as a guest. This feature is really handy because it allows people without a Microsoft account to easily access meetings. If you're joining as a guest, the next step is quite simple. You'll be prompted to enter your name. This is just so that other participants in the meeting know who you are. After you've input your name, you'll want to tap Join Meeting. This will take you into the meeting's virtual waiting room, and from there, the organizer will admit you into the call. A quick tip here, it's always a good idea to join a few minutes early. This gives you a bit of leeway in case there are any connectivity issues or updates required on your app, and make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network, especially if you'll be using video during the meeting. Now, if at any point you face an issue or the app doesn't function as expected, a good first step is to close the app completely and then try again. Reopening often resolves minor glitches. Also, ensure your device's software is up to date, as this can impact app performance. Following these steps should lead to a smooth and hassle-free experience participating in your Microsoft Teams meetings. Whether it's attending a crucial work conference or a casual group chat, being able to join quickly and efficiently will make a big difference. I hope this tutorial helps you feel more confident the next time you need to jump into a meeting on your mobile device. Thank you for watching, and feel free to drop by the comment section if you have any questions or need further assistance.